Welcome to Tally Learning Hub. In this session, you learn about the Bills Outstanding Report in Tally Prime. Successful closure of your order to sales is determined only when you convert your sales into cash. Till your sales are converted into your cash, you need to manage how much you need to receive, from whom and when. Similarly, the frequency of payables to your suppliers. That's why it's critical to keep a track of your bills outstanding reports. Let's look at the Bills Receivable Report in Tally Prime. Press Alt plus G for Go To. Using Go To, you can search, discover, and navigate from anywhere and to everywhere, even without the need to learn the navigation. Type Bills and select Bills Receivable from the list. Let's see another way to navigate to Bills Receivable Report. Press Escape and come back to Gateway of Tally. Press D for Display More Reports, S for Statement of Accounts, O for Outstandings, R for Receivables. Here, you will get bill-by-bill details of invoices that are pending to be received and their due date, along with the days by which they are overdue. If you want to see the total money receivable from each customer, press F8 for Ledger-wise bills. This will show bill-by-bill details of each party, and now it will become easier to get the complete view of the receivables. Among these bills, you can also check the ones pending from the longest time. For this, I'll press F6 for Aging Method. Select whether you want to see the aging by the bill's date or the bill's due date. I'm selecting the due date. Now, I can enter the frequency I want to see. I'm going to enter that I want one column showing all the bills pending for 0 to 15 days. The next column for 15 to 30 days, followed by 30 to 60 days, 60 to 90 days, and the last column for anything pending more than that. Press Y to accept the screen. Now, it becomes easy for you to see who you need to contact first to get your bills settled. To view the receivables of individual customer, press Escape from Receivables Report and press L for Ledger. Select the customer ledger. Next feature we'll learn is sending a reminder letter. It is one of the conventional practices to follow up with the customer to get the bills paid faster. To print reminder letter, press Alt plus P. Here is a quick tip for you. To print the current screen without getting into the print option, press Ctrl plus P. Select Current. Press C for Configure. Press Enter to change the report type to Reminder Letter. Set the aging frequency of bills and press Y to accept the screen. Set other details as required to be printed in the reminder letter. Press Escape to go back to print screen. To see the preview of reminder letter, press I. Press Alt plus Z to zoom. Press Escape to exit the zoom mode. Again press Escape to go back to print screen. Press P to print. You can email the reminder letter using Alt plus M or by clicking on Email option available on top menu. Press Escape to view Bills Payable Report. You can access it using similar navigation we used in Bills Receivables Report. You can use side menu options to add or modify the information and get much more insights. You can also use Go To available on top menu for quick navigation across different reports. Here is a quick recap. Viewing bill-by-bill receivables and ledger-wise bill details. Aging analysis to know long pending bills. Viewing ledger outstandings and sending reminder letters. Using Tally Prime, you can access this report from a web browser on any device, anywhere.